pipe that comes from the valve out to the sprinkler heads, we have a hole in it. And so what was noticed when the zone was running, we had some bubbling up of the water in the grass. So Jeremy, we need to find the pipe in the ground. What are some techniques to digging up a pipe?
Well, we want to cut this sod out and try to save it. I mean, ideally when we get done, we're going to want to put the sod back in place. So we're going to cut out an area. We're going about 3 or 4 shovel widths across here. And we're trying to get that shovel fairly flat underneath that piece of turf. So we cut it out just like we were getting a truckload of sod coming in, coming right off of a pallet. And it broke in half, and that's not a problem at all. We can put it back in a couple of pieces. Now, we could continue digging with these. We could change over to a trenching shovel. Trenching shovel is going to give us a little more flexibility because with the smaller shovel, we're not removing quite as much material.
Which means we don't have to put as much back.
That's right, it saves us a little bit of labor on the end here. Once we get that exposed, let's just start digging down, and we want to push down. We know that pipe's going to be down a little bit into the ground.